Yesterday you practiced multiplication within 100. Today let's divide within 100. First watch this Math Antics division video. Then there is a division mashup. As you scroll down, you'll also notice there's a multiplication chart. So even though you're being asked to solve for division today, since division is the exact opposite of multiplication, you may use a multiplication chart to help. Here we see some division words that are important. The quotient is the answer or the solution to a division problem. A remainder is a number that's left over after dividing. In third grade, we won't do division with remainders, but in fourth grade you will. Divisible, that means that a number can be divided by another number without a remainder. Dividend, that's the number that is being divided. In the problem 4 divided by 2, the dividend would be 4. The divisor is the number that the number is being divided by. For an example, 6 divided by 3, the divisor would be 3. So for your homework practice today, you'll be asked to solve for division practice. So in order to solve 36 divided by 6, what I like to do is think of 6 times what equals 36? 6 times what equals 36? If I'm not sure what 36 divided by 6 is, I can use a multiplication chart to help. So since the divisor is 6, I need to figure out what the dividend is. That's 36. So to find the quotient, look up on the multiplication chart. So 36 divided by 6 equals 6. And then to check myself, I'm thinking, well, since division is the opposite of multiplication, does 6 times 6 equals 36? So you know you have the correct answer. Let's do another one. 45 divided by 5. That's also the same thing as 5 times what number equals 45. So if I were to think about, oh, I know how to skip count by 5s. Let's skip count by 5s until we get to the number 45. That's going to give us our answer, or our quotient. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I have 9 fingers. You know, I can't keep my pinky down. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. Let's check that. Does 5 times 9 equal 45? 5, 9, 45. We got it. 54 divided by 9. 9 times what number equals 54? Yesterday in class, I talked about how important it was to memorize your multiplication facts because, well, You'll need multiplication for almost every single math skill, including division. So to find 54 divided by 9, I'm thinking of 54 divided up into 9 groups. How many would be in each group? 9 times what is 54? 9. I'm going to scroll on over until I find the 54. Aha, there it is. So 9 times 6 is 54. That also means that 54 divided by 9 is going to be 6. Hey, I hope that helped, kiddos. Do your best on the remaining division practice.